Hi guys, Kristen here, and going to attempt to put on the wind deflector on my 23A 2017 Fuse Winnebago. And thanks for the heads up from the Facebook community. We do have the 4 hinges on here, and I'm about to take off our screw cover to install this. So I hope this is going to be helpful for anyone else out there. So after cutting the caulking, I'm actually using a 1-gallon paint can opener, a lid opener. I'm coming on this opposite side and just gently lifting off right here and coming under it so I can gently come upwards and pry it away. I don't want to scratch up anything if I can help it, so even though we're going to paint later. After you got it started down at the bottom, you can gently pull away and just keep it kind of straight. And just gently pull. I don't want to bend this just in case I have to redo it. So, just gently pulling, because we cut those silicone caulking earlier. And I'm pulling down more than out. And I've already loosened the screw on the very top. Now, I might have to wiggle it a little bit to see if I can get it down. Alright, so that was exactly it. The screw cover was screwed in on the top. So I just removed the screw and voila, there you go. And by the way, if you're wondering, when you order your screw cover, it's going to be this color, just like this very top. The pretty paint doesn't come with it, just like the wind deflector. Pretty paint doesn't come with it. So I'm going to clean this up first, take all the silicone off, make it nice and pretty, and then we'll be back. Okay, so I'm almost done with removing the silicone. I would say don't skip this part. Take your time, get a bucket of patience, and just slowly use a scraper. And I'm using a really thin, small screwdriver as well, and remove the silicone. And I know all of y'all know how to do it, but for those of us that are doing the first time, I just score down close to the side and then take it at an angle. Just slowly, ever so slowly, come down. And then I peel off a little section at a time and just let it come down. Oh, a little word to the wise. Take your time right here with these decals. Really go super slow so you don't damage them any more than you have to. Because if you go too fast, they will peel off. I'm hoping I didn't do too much damage. So I'm thinking that really cleaning up the silicone is going to help with putting this back on, so that way I get a nice tight seal and I can re-silicone it later on. I'm almost done with it. Then I'm going to clean it up. I'm thinking I might use a little bit of denatured alcohol. That's what I'm thinking. Okay. As every good German would say right now, jetzt kommt der springende Moment, wo der Elefant ins Wasser rennt. Okay, look for a translation, or I am me. I'm going to go ahead and place this on here. I have my mallet handy. Have it all the way up. Of course, I've already cut it to size. Let's see if I can find a good place for it to bite. See, it's snapped in on the top, but not yet the bottom. Okay. She's a little loose on the bottom. Okay, so all that's left now, obviously, silicone it. Still a question of how I'm going to paint this thing, because the paint touch-up that came with this, I don't think is going to be enough. But I'm super excited, and thank you so much for all your fusers on Facebook for helping us out with all of your great, valuable insights. And don't tell my husband, because he's inside right now watching the golf game and the golf tournament that's going on today. Last day, by the way. And he wanted to do this, so don't tell him I'm already done. Thanks, guys.